Here are 4 facts about rhinoceroses you might not know. Part 1, number 4. Rhino horns are made of the same substance as human hair, keratin. Number 3. Rhinos can run surprisingly fast. They can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Number 2. Rhinos have very poor eyesight and often rely on their sense of smell and hearing instead. Number 1. Rhinos communicate with each other through their dung piles, which act like community message boards. So there you go, 4 facts about rhinos. Hopefully, you learned something new. If you did, please like and subscribe so you don't miss part 2. And be sure to follow for more fun facts about wildlife. Thanks for watching. See ya.